Meaning of disgusted, Tunbridge Wells.
Disgusted, Tunbridge Wells.
Disgusted, Tunbridge Wells.
Disgusted, Tunbridge Wells.
Disgusted, Tunbridge Wells. Disgusted, Tunbridge Wells is a phrase that originated from a letter to the editor of a British newspaper in 1953. The letter expressed outrage over the low standards of taste and decency in a play being performed in Tunbridge Wells, an affluent town in Kent. The phrase has since become a catchphrase used humorously to describe an exaggerated sense of moral outrage or prudishness. It is often associated with conservative or middle-class values.